Hello, welcome to my channel. Tonight I'd like to share with you my first design project for Olducinaand. We know her as Anne as well as Olducinaand. This is my November project, and I've used 3 of her kits. I have a lot of her kits. I have most of her kits. Let's just be honest. And I like to merge them. I like to have a lot of different details and things like that going, and I'm sure she won't mind as long as they're her kits, and they're beautiful. So I want to show them to you tonight, and let me just give you. I will leave a link in the description below for her YouTube channel and her Etsy shop. But the kits that I used are called, one of them is Journaling with Roses, another one is Back in Time Vintage Lady and Girl, and another one is Forget Me Not. The main one that I used is Journaling with Roses, and this is an envelope journal, and I was going to put a title on it, My Little Rose, because I did mostly the Journaling with Roses throughout here. This page here is just an embossed piece of cardstock that I have an embossing folder, and I have roses on it, and I love it. And then I inked it up, and I put trim on it and flowers. And so this is the cover, and it's one of those that the cover are like 4 envelopes stacked together, and then inside is the journal. So here we go with this is Velcroed. The first envelope here is open, and this is a pocket, and I put her little girl that's in with Journaling with Roses, picture of her on this cardstock to put in here so that she could be like peeking out, because I was thinking My Little Rose. You know, it could be a granddaughter, it could be a daughter, it could be a niece, it could be anybody, it could be you. You know, of times that you want to journal about, or you want to remember, you could put your own picture in here and have your little rose girl peeking out. That's what it looks like without that picture. But I love this little girl. She's in pink, and I think she's so cute, and she fits perfectly there. And then you open this, and I've torn a piece of the Journaling with Roses and put a couple tags in. This is more from Journaling with Roses. And this is with the, oh, you know what? I forgot what that one was. Oh dear. I'll look it up. I'll put it in the link. It's an embroidery kit that she did. I think she only did 1. So actually I used 4 of them. Maybe I didn't do the Forget Me Not. I'll look anyways, and I'll list them down below. And this is more pictures of a little girl. But I mostly did Journaling with Roses. And over here I took some of the rose paper and folded it so that you have a place to journal on, to keep track of things. And then when you open it up, I have a pocket here with rose applique and a couple of tags that I've decorated with lace. And then over here I have a pocket, the rose pocket. I've decorated that, and I've added more from the embroidery kit that she has, and I love that kit. And then there's trim here, and there's also top loading pockets and side loading pockets in the journal, so I'm going to show you those. So this goes like that, and that like that, and this velcros so that it stays nice. But then up here, when you open the journal, there's a top loading pocket, so we'll do that right now. And the rest, this is an envelope journal inside. So that was just the cover that I just showed you. Now this I took right from her paper, and I made a duplicate, and I cut it out and used some washi tape. I put an actual paper clip in there, and so that you can journal here, there, here. You could put a picture on there. You can take a picture and just, you know, put it up there. You don't have to glue it in, but you can clip it in. And so on this side is more of that paper. And I've added some fabric roses that I have, and some more tags from her embroidery kit, which I think I already said once I love. And up here, so now here is the top loading pocket, and I put in two big tags, and they're blank on the back so that you can write on them. You could put pictures on them. Whatever you wanted to do, you can do. I'm just going to leave things out because it takes too long to put them back in. And then over here, this is from her vintage Back in Time kit. And I love this little girl. She's so cute. I'm prone to putting little girls in journals because I think they're so cute. And I ripped this page. She does not come out. There is nothing here that comes out. You could easily take a picture and just put it right over there. But actually it's just a decorative page. But over here I took two of her tags from Journaling with Roses and I made it into a pocket, as well as adding, this is from her sewing cards. Okay, make that 5 kits. I told you I have a lot of her kits, but I love to mix and match because you can get so much more out of it, you know. If you've got it, you might as well use it. So here's a couple of tags. I put rose circles on all of them so that you know they're there and you can easily get them out. Not so easily get them in, but easily get them out. And then over here, I used one of her sewing fabric tags, and I added some lace here and a rose that I had and some beads. And this is a flip up. And here is a tablet for writing. Okay, and I believe that's out of her Back in Time kit. And this comes out, and there's a pocket behind there. And when you lift this up, I've embossed this part of the tag that she made that goes with this here and put it there. So we're going to continue on. There's a pocket here with some tags in them. You have a lot of pockets, a lot of room for journaling and putting pictures, and it's really got room. It doesn't look like there's room maybe, but there is a lot of room. So there's tags, and this is out of her embroidery kit, and I just made tags out of the paper that she had there. And this is more of hers. And here we are, Journaling with Roses, and I happen to have these appliques that I thought went very well with her roses, the coloring. So what this is here is I put a whole section of paper for you to write on and to journal in. So it's right hooked with this journal, and the center page I glued shut, and you only have your beads down here showing, and you don't see the pamphlet stitch, but it is stitched with wax linen thread. So, and this is where the forget-me-not paper comes in, because I did take from that kit and put in here just to, you know, give it a variety. I love variety, and here's some more of her forget-me-not paper as tags. So what this is a pocket that opens, and then over here I did a lift up, and you can journal here, you can journal here, and actually this is supposed to be in here because this is also a pocket. All right, and then you have all this room up here as well, and you have a pocket behind here. And then we go over to this part, and here is one of her envelopes from Journaling with Roses, and I have a paper clip there which will come with the journal, and I have velcroed this. You can open it and you can journal in it. I've decorated it and added vintage doily trim, but this also flips down so that you have this space here, and I put paper here, but you could put a picture here, you could put a picture there. And then if you want to, you know, you don't know exactly what you're doing with your pictures and your journaling yet, you can just tuck them in there, and that acts like a pocket. And then over here, I have this little girl on the embroidery kit, and she's a cutie, And she's a lift up here, and this is from Journaling with Roses. She has Vintage Ladies, and or maybe that's with Back in Time, I'm not sure. And you open this way, open that way, and here you can put a picture, or you could put a note, whatever you want to do, you could do that. And then this is the last page, and it closes like that with this ribbon, and that's that. So I wanted to make a real quick video and get the project to show you, and to make sure to mention that this is bridal lace here, and this is doily lace, which I know I said. So this will be in my Etsy shop for sale. It's not in there tonight, but it will be in there probably tomorrow. I have to take pictures and like that, and I just wanted to tell you about it and show it to you, since Anne announced her design team tonight. So I thought I would get my design team project out there. So thank you for stopping by. I am working on Christmas things that I will be putting in my shop, and hopefully tomorrow or the other next night, Saturday night, I will have a video to show you some new items that I'm making for gifts that maybe you would be interested in, and they will be in my shop, so I'll be coming back with a video for that. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, and if you're not subscribed, please subscribe. And please make sure you go over to Olducinaand's YouTube and Etsy and get yourself some kits and make some pretty things. See you in the next video.